So James is going to take 2 big gulps out of this
rancid water.
Rancid daffodil water.
Two full-on mouthfuls. You have to swallow 2.
Hold on, I need to get a good light.
Oh mate, it's horrible looking.
Yeah.
He's gonna flake out.
He's gonna flake out.
Yeah, what, you mean not do it?
Yeah.
Oh. Right.
And you're gonna take the pictures. So they've been staring at Josh for literally an hour, a whole hour. Like this. Like this. For a whole hour.
You should have moved up the chair.
Why didn't you just move up the chair, Josh?
You should have moved up the chair with the other.
This is James's new shirt.
It's fucking shit.
It's much like all his other shirts, but a tiny bit different. Shame he's not got his nice new hat on though. I wish I filmed you when you were mad in the venue, because that would have been perfect. Dude, diary. And he said that kind of stuff makes him want to quit the band.
Well, buying a hat makes you quit the band.
Get out of the way, get out of the way.
That's gonna well be said.
No, come on. What? Knock it back, mate.
One more. That was only a little gulp.
Mate, that's a little gulp.
Those are tiny
That's
gulps.
the tiniest little gulp.
I'll do a third one.
One more.
Twice as many as you've just done. That's only a little gulp.
I feel a bit sick now.
Okay.
No, one more.
One more.
No, but yeah, one more.
Finish it.
Come on.
Okay.
Colin's still staring.
I don't know what goes through his mind sometimes.
It's like, what? James is playing Careless Whisper.
George is basically going to climb to the corner of the screen and pretend to sign language whenever people talk.
Are they even going to talk though?
Let's do it anyway.
Do it anyway.
When there's nothing on, you have to stand there really silently.
This is so good.
George, go on.
Go on, Lloydie.
Go on.
Boing boing.
He won't do it, he's too nervous. Yeah, but it'll be
never gonna
funny.
see him again.
Exactly, when we leave tonight, you'll wish that you did it. What's happening?
Put James to sleep bag.
Yeah.
We like the going game because he gets really over the top about everything, even how minor it is.
Okay, so what are we doing with it? Throwing it off this balcony?
Yeah.
Right, cool. Do it. Whose balcony is that down there? You don't know? Mike's getting in the tree. He can't get up it.
Really? Come on, man, you do better than that. Alright, Jungle James.
Jungle James.
Come on, Mike, you can do better than that. Shut up! He's doing it? Yeah, good lad. Do some sign language.
No, I don't think so. what else is his?
Is this his pillow?
He's thrown all his belongings off the balcony.
This isn't his pillow. Brilliant.
Hey, tell us a little bit about that annoying guy in the bar.
The annoying guy in the bar is now the annoying guy on the floor.
Not doing too well up now, are you, mate?
Not too hard now, are you? Right.
In my bag.
What?
It's in my bag.
No, I haven't. No, I don't know what you're talking about. It's a nice day.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
Oh man. How do I get there?
There he is.
Oi, dickhead!
Oi, fat boy! Oi, fat boy, I like your tits. Get your tits out, you fit slut.
Let's come home.
Hey, fit slut, get your
run!
tits out.
Run really fast!
Run! Ah, fuck off! We're just taking a shit.
Leave me alone. Doesn't want a tree.
Why have you got a tree for your mate?
Is it a present? Is
It's-
it his birthday?
It's a gift for your mate, isn't it, the tree? I think your friend's really gonna like your tree. Is it his birthday? How old's your friend gonna be? That's a real nice tree. You picked him a real good one. You picked him a real good one. Nice tree.
Nice tree.
Is that the friend on the phone? I'm gonna spoil it. He got you a tree! He got you a tree!
Would you have a tree?
He's got a tree for you! I spoiled it for you, didn't I? He got you a tree!
He's got a tree!
He got you a tree! It's all for you, the tree!